Meryl from Southwest Houston has some questions about her tile and needs some tips.
Well, it turns out that some of them look a little different on the bottom when she's bringing them up. Let me tell you what Meryl says. She says, we recently tore out the tiles in our new-to-us 60-year-old home. Yeah. And she says some of the tiles came out very easily and were wet underneath. We're trying to figure out why they were wet before we lay new flooring down. They've turned off the water in the house, then the water meter stopped, so it seems like they don't have any leaks, but when we bought the house, the windows and back doors were leaking and letting in a bunch of water. We've replaced those over the past few years, and we added gutters, but we sealed some pieces of the concrete with plastic, see if moisture appears, and seems only be coming through hairline fractures in the slab. As you can see this picture she sent. You can see she's even, look at that, she's even duct taped it in so you can see where it is. Anyway, she wants to know what's her next step, Tom.
Well, if you look at her picture, she has duct tape around it, but she has plastic on top. That's how you do a moisture test on a slab. You take a foot by 12 inch by 12 inch area. You actually plastic it down to see if water starts to bead up underneath the plastic. She's got a problem. It's usually not a supply line, so they can turn the water off to the house all they want. If you have a plumbing problem under the house, it's a drain line. And so it's leaching water. And, you know, as we've dealt with Due West Foundation Repair for years, they have gone under slabs and fixed underground plumbing like crazy. We've dealt with TDT. They go in and they do the cast-in-place repair work. You get an underground plumbing problem, it's usually a drain line, so you can't troubleshoot it by turning the water off. Now, I'm just going to throw this out. I know it wasn't Harvey. Because they've been having this problem with windows and other stuff. But a lot of people are having drainage problems now because, as you know, Danny, our garden guru, is telling us the ground is compacting, it's settling. People are starting to find these problems under their slabs because the drainage problems that we're having because the ground is changing. So that could happen to other people who might be watching this. But in this case, I think it's an inherent problem when they bought the house. You've been trying to fix the envelope, which is the windows and, you know, any roof leaks or anything, which is fine. What you need to do really is a hydrostatic test. And you can have Abacus Plumbing come out and do it, not a problem. And what they'll do is they'll fill the drain lines up to see if they leak. Now, if it's not that and you have a yard drainage issue, even though you have gutters, then you can call Tom from Family Landscapes. And he's a licensed irrigator in the state of Texas, and he can put a drainage system together for you. But that's what you're looking at, one of those two problems. I don't think it's anything else but that.
All right, fair enough. You got a question, we can help you out just like that. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that form, send it in. We'll answer this. And, of course, if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell, we'll tell you when there's a new one posted.